What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Discord Rich Presence, so Discord can automatically display what game or app you're using on your profile, and how to make sure it actually works without issues. Discord Rich Presence lets your friends see what you're playing in real time, and it works best on the desktop app for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. The desktop version updates faster and is more reliable than the web version. To turn it on, open the Discord app and click the settings spear next to your username. Inside Settings, scroll down and open Activity Privacy. From there, turn on the option that lets Discord display your current activity as a status message. Once this is enabled, Discord can show the game you're playing on your profile. If you want friends to be able to join your game directly, make sure the option that allows friends to join your game is enabled. If you're often in voice channels, you can also allow voice channel members to join your game as well. Now here's an important part that trips a lot of people up. Rich Presence only works if your status is set to online. If you're on Do Not Disturb or Invisible, it won't show. Also, if you have a custom status set, Rich Presence won't appear. You'll need to clear any custom status so Discord can display your activity instead. Once that's done, Discord should automatically show what game you're playing under your name. If you want to go a step further and create a custom Rich Presence for something that isn't the game, you can do that using third-party tools like Discord RPC Maker. This lets you manually display a custom app name, image, description, and buttons on your profile. You'll still need Rich Presence enabled in Discord for this to work. With a custom setup, Discord treats your custom app like a game and shows it as playing, followed by whatever name you choose. You can even add images, descriptions, and clickable buttons that link to websites or communities. It's a great option if you want a unique status instead of just showing a game. And that's it. That's how to enable Discord Rich Presence properly and make sure it works, plus how to customize it if you want something more advanced. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.